A very important part of getting you online is to develop a basic website. But people are saying these days that a basic website is hardly worth it. What you need is a landing page. So what I do for my clients is I develop a website that contains many landing pages so that you can use the website to publish a landing page for a campaign, and if that one doesn't work, well, you can publish another one for another campaign, and so forth. The website is basically a homepage. The homepage itself should also be a landing page, and a generic one at that. And then you can have specialized landing pages. For example, the company Software Antelope, which is the company that's producing the software, has a landing page for business and it has a landing page for coaches. They're different propositions and they have different calls to action. This means that I can then publish a website that is being promoted on Facebook or Meta, and it is purposely targeted at a certain audience. Okay, so a number of people coaching say only promote one product to one person and one service, and that's all very good. Both of the different landing pages must do just that. They target one person with one service for one product or one idea. It's singular. But that doesn't mean that you can't have multiple products or multiple campaigns. But if you're spreading your budget for advertising between different campaigns, obviously you've got to pick one that works better than the others. So to start with, you might want to create multiple landing pages. So what I'm going to show you how I build a landing page, how easy it is to do, and if you need it to be done for you, how I will do it for you. So if you hire me on a monthly basis, which is how I offer my services at a flat rate, if you hire me on the flat rate for a monthly service, part of that service will be building you multiple landing pages. That won't take very long. The thing that does take time is coming up with clever ideas and implementing them. For example, payment pages where people buy something from you. That's something that you need, and you need it to work, and you need it to record information. Now, there's two types of calls to action in our landing pages. On our business landing page, it's make an appointment. I've started to use cal.com to interface with appointments because it gives me for free more than one appointment type. Another very popular package is Calendly, but that only allows on a free account to have one type of calendar. So with cal.com, you can tell it what your Meta pixel is called. It used to be called the Facebook pixel. Basically, it's a little bit of JavaScript that identifies who you are, so that when the person commits to an appointment with you, it tells Facebook or Meta what you're doing so that it can accumulate statistics for you and help you see what campaigns are working and what ones aren't. So just to summarize, you can have multiple campaigns by having multiple landing pages. You want on your website a home page and multiple landing pages. You don't need that much else. Well, you might need a terms and condition page until you are selling something, and then you'll need pages that sell what you're selling. So a landing page is a simple page that defines, as we've gone through before, what it is that you do, why you do it, and a call to action. Or more correctly, a hook, a problem, a solution, some social proof, and an action that gets you a client. So the two types of call to action that we have is one, they sign up with their email address and their name to get onto your mailing list. If you build a mailing list, that is the most important business asset you'll ever have. Your email mailing list allows you to continue to talk to your customers. If you Your email mailing list allows you to address your customers and to continue the conversation. You don't want to just go into emails selling hard. You want to educate. You want to show someone that you have the competence that they need. So that's why when I'm attracting clients, I show them how I build a website. And so in the next video, I'm going to take you through the steps necessary to build a basic landing page so that you can see it in action. And we'll do that soon. Thanks very much.